Hello, yeah, so I cannot talk properly. Yes, I have to, because I am sick. I may have a liver problem. So, सब गुस्सा करते हैं. फिर से ये बात छेड़ी थी गालिब कमाल के उधर लाइव चैट में. Again, they brought this up that I'm angry at BTS. Now, really, Haris Sultan doesn't get angry. Ghalib Kamal doesn't get angry. तो जिन्होंने हम भी एक केस के पीछे हैं, हमारा खून खोल रहा बॉयल कर रहा है. Blood is sitting here stressed, struggling to do at least breathing exercises. Even science has found out. My father was telling me long time ago I couldn't do the breathing. मुझे ठंडी सांस मैंने ली है जब मैं सेंट जोसेफ्स कॉलेज में, पता नहीं मुनीरा गुल्स मिसेस माय प्रिंसिपल respected Her Highness, I was going to, so used to Mrs. Munira Gulzar से मिलने से मेरा सब साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स जो थे, जो थेरेपी में सॉल्व नहीं हो रही थी, तो ऐसे अभी जो see how I quickly change. So, I've been so angry, upset. Like Elizabeth Taylor said, she had the right. She told in her interview to this, what was the name of that program on TV, God, about Michael Jackson, how America treated Michael Jackson. She thought Michael Jackson was innocent, and America has treated him like dirt. So she said, it makes me very angry. What was his name? You can check on Google search. Oh, sorry, YouTube. तो बातें ऐसे छेड़ते हैं. अब मुझे ऐसे लगा नितिन शर्मा. I asked for Nitin Sharma. I went back. I had to excuse myself time and time again, and I went back because, I don't want to, I just said that because, you see, I know that Ghalib Kamal and these people atheists have made a group that's I think it's okay. It's okay to make a group, but to stand alone with your case and all this is very difficult. And especially when you can't find evidences in thin air spirituality. I'm looking for a spiritual person for अभी जो देखें, अभी मुझे स्वामी जी का जो I could understand, I'm bleeding हो रही है, I'm slow and all this. They told me to go live. The same, another person who advocate of Haris Sultan, but a slight dishonest person, aggravated that I said that when Swamiji said that all these people are, Haris Sultan also, but then the atheists. So I've left all recently, Baba, jo bhi, I've left all the Desi atheists or ex-Muslims who have gone into Sanatan Dharm. On YouTube channel, I just unsubscribed. Because जो मेरी समझ में थोड़ा भी जो आया ना, वो thank God ज़्यादा नहीं आया. Because my health is not the type that I should be. Excuse me. तो इन्होंने better see restlessness. मैं अपने आप को रेस्ट नहीं दे सक रही हूँ. पाँव ऊपर नीचे हो रहे हैं. तो थोड़ा सा तो ये ना जो क्लेम करते हैं, मुझे बड़ा फायर लग जाता है. क्लेम करते हैं कि ह्यूमन राइट्स चैम्पियंस या ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशंस. ना ये मेरा पीछा वीडियो देखते हैं. हारिस सुल्तान की वजह से जो गुलजार एलिया ने फिर हारिस सुल्तान का वो मेरे अगेंस्ट, जब इट्स reconciled but long time ago, some like time ago when he got angry at me ruthlessly, तो सुना रहा था हारिस सुल्तान की बात, लेकिन वो मेरी बात सुना रहा था. एक्चुअली हारिस सुल्तान की बात नहीं छुपा रहे हैं. آپ پورا ویڈیو لائیں نا لائیو اسٹریم پہ اور بتائیں کہ حارث سلطان نے کیسے بات کیا تھا میرے ساتھ اور کیا بولا تھا. اینڈ پٹ ورڈز ان مائی ماؤتھ دیٹ آئی ایم ٹیکنگ مودی. I've taken Modi, and not even I've taken and have been taking Modi as God. اور پھر یہ بتائیں کہ وہ کیوں اٹیک کرتا ہے اس کو, امینہ سردار کو کیوں اٹیک کیا ہے, کالی داسی کو کیوں اٹیک کیا ہے. یہ کیا ان میں چل رہا ہے, یہ کیا پرابلم ہے. تو ایسے آپ انڈیویجولی ان کو اٹیک نہیں کریں, سیدھا بتا دیں کہ یہ ہندو دھرما میں, جیسے آج سوامی جی بتا رہا تھا ہندو دھرما, جو سناتن دھرم ایکس مسلم دیسیز جو سناتن دھرم, ان کا تو فالٹ نہیں ہے نا, ان کو بھی ہمیں بھی اب کتنا بیوقوف بنایا ہے, پتہ چلا ہے. ابھی اور بھی پتہ چلے گا. I'm slow at like, oh my God, I'll be contemplating and all this. So please beware. There's a lot of deception. I'm not saying کہ ہندو میں نہیں ہے. I was saying that yes, some of them are liars and all this. Right? Why do they lie so much? ابھی مونیکا شیرون کے وہاں بھی انہوں نے شمع وما مانگی. She apologized when she found out who I was. لیکن I might not be able to talk much, see. These people are so articulate and they have the strength. تو جہاں بھی ڈس آنیسٹی ہے, جس بھی اسکرپچرز میں ڈس آنیسٹی انہوں نے صحیح طرح بتایا نہیں ہے یا چھپایا ہے, I condemn that. I'm with it. I mean, I'm against it. And I'm with those people who are exposing even Hindu Vedas and wherever and telling us line by line. But since this was on Ghalib Kamal's channel, it was in Hindi. Most of the things I could not understand, even if and I can't concentrate because بہت پہلے since they hit me, whatever this is, dissonance, mind control, I can't struggle. I mean, I can't put much effort right now. تو مرتے دم تک جتنا بھی مجھ سے ہو سکے گا, maybe I won't be able to complete this. پلیز آپ ہوشیار رہیں. ایک تو وہ بھی ہے نا جو پرسنلی اٹیک کرتے ہیں کسی, مجھے کیوں ٹارگٹ کر رہا نتن شرما یا کیا. دیکھیں میں نے تو کتنی بار لائیو اسٹریم میں بول دیا تھا کہ میرا ایک کیس ہے. تو یہ آپ دیکھیں, look at the way like now truth seekers I was finding, کتنی اچھی طرح وہ بتا رہے ہیں ہمیں in a you know, مجھے تو ایسا لگتا ہے کہ بڑے آنیسٹ ہیں یہ جو بھی ہیں ٹروتھ سیکر, چاہے امریکن ہوں. اچھا, امریکن اسپریچولسٹ کے پیچھے میں پڑ گئی تھی ایک دفعہ اگینسٹ دیم. دیکھیں یہ ٹروتھ سیکر ہے, یہ سی ہچنز گاٹ آؤٹ آف کنٹرول. اچھا یہ دیکھیں یہ کیسے ایکسپوز کر رہے ہیں. ایون ٹروتھ سیکرز لائک مچیو کاکو annoyed by idiotic arguments, but not the idiotic person, idiotic arguments. آپ اس آرگیومنٹس کو اٹیک کر رہے ہیں نا, پرسن کو اٹیک کر رہے ہیں. ادھر میں حارث سلطان کو کیوں اٹیک کر رہی تھی, میں کہا نہیں حارث سلطان میرے اس سے تو آئی ایم سوری. ویسے غالب کمال کو بہت ہیلپ کیا ان کو, گلزار ایلیا ان کے ساتھ ہے. تو اور کیا جیسے ٹروتھ سیکر, پھر میں I did not touch these videos much, open them or anything. Shame, you know, C. Hitchens got out of control. I went to another video which is like Greg, کتنی اچھی طرح وہ جو اچھی طرح بات کرتے ہیں, جن کو ایک سٹائل ہے جن میں وہ سوری ایکسکیوز می دس ہیز اوپنڈ اپ. اچھا تو میرے پاس ٹائم نہیں ہے اتنا کہ میں so slowly my videos will be on piecemeals And you can see how they are. If I had the time, do you think my videos, I would attract people, want them to help me out, use proper things, cuttings, ask for permission to, if I could use those videos in my videos. बड़ा काम चाहिए और हौसला नहीं. मेरे में chronic fatigue थी 1989 में. I realized. So, तो ये जो क्लेम कर रहे हैं ना, इस पे मैं बहुत बॉयल होती हूँ. Sorry if I can say this properly. I love justice very much. The mohabbat, love and justice, truth and being very fair so how can, because you see it's come on a very now with these atheists, desis, Haris Sultan is on top with them. But if you're going to say to me, I've known where Haris Sultan went out of his way to help me. Ghalib Kamal was coming online. I was waiting that I will see how honest he is, this he is. And I was questioning him, he said this wrong about atheism. That proof does not lie on them. The video was removed. So I then calmed down. He helped me. Actually, he helped me not to come live because I'm bleeding here. So I thought maybe, he's okay, then I calmed myself down. But it was difficult. And I want to be fair to him. I want to be just with him. So this time I had forgotten to unsubscribe to his Urdu one or the general channel. I joined the English one too. So then I recently I said, let me see what the information is. And it's really, I have no words. So I felt he is quite वो माफ़ी भी he'll apologize like Gulzar Elia. He's one of those not Haris type, not Haris Sultan type, unapologetic with me about my case and all this. Although somewhere he did say, I'm not supposed to talk like this about my sheikhs. So somewhere it did seem like he cared about me. और एक औरत वेट कर रही है तो हम उनको पहले लेंगे. He said in English, someone is waiting and lady is waiting. So like that, I appreciated that, but when I saw that he's putting words in my mouth about I've never taken Modi as God. So, in fact, you could blame me for, if you've seen my videos and live streams on Facebook, you could blame me for taking my principal as God, goddess. And I even get angry at her. So I'm not well, and I've my whole case for 30 plus years going on since the time I was born, or maybe not even born. What happened to my mother? And this, so I think I would go to Jiddu Krishnamurti. He said, you don't make groups. People make groups. Even if you feel you are right and you're helping people. Like the spiritualists of America, masters, they've made a group. And they used to come and all this. Well, their way was quite soft. But there was one hitch in that, Marianne Williamson. And she was unapologetic too. So did I say Haris Sultan was apologetic? Unapologetic, in my case. So there are some, maybe Punjabis who want to, for fame or money and all this. I don't know, maybe, I'm not sure. See, I said maybe. There also I said the video could be fake. And all this. So there's some jealousy. Someone's hitting me with something I can't explain here spiritually. psychically. Gestures coming. Please have some mercy on people. So if you atheists are going to laugh and make fun, that would be so cheap of you. And then you expect us. You could be right in some ways. I'm not saying you're entirely wrong. I'm not saying you're entirely dishonest, but there is an element of dishonesty in you too. So if you correct yourselves and if you say, I apologize, we are struggling, and we can see that some people अब हम इतने बेवकूफ़ बन गए हैं, but we are not in our own universe, like someone claimed on Hari Sultan's page about me. Empaths can. Anita Murjani got well through, not in the hospital, not through all those things. The doctors were shutting it down, shutting those machines down. So that kind of is there. People do get well. And Anita Murjani, I feel, is a true person. Genuine, who, not for herself or anything, but she's written a book, not that she wants to be famous, and she wants to help the empaths, and I feel it's very genuine. Although I wish I could read her book, but I can't. So I read a little bit. I had bought it online, but left it. I couldn't read Dr. Amit Goswami's book on quantum physics. Now these people with a lot of knowledge, some people gaslighters, covert narcissists, like the secular system. Like they were asking me, will I open? I said, no, I will not open my mouth now. No, the recent secular, I can't say, it's too ancient. There was Socrates who took poison. One person, I mean, Socrates had a great philosophy, and he would say that he's telling the truth. I don't know how far it is true, but in history, if you ask me, ancient, there was Aristotle, great philosophers, as they say. People are drawing conclusions, all this. So I hope you come across honest, caring, at the same time caring for people's health, and not just what you want from out of people. See, I wouldn't allow any Hindu to deceive or hurt anyone spiritually. लेकिन मुझे इधर कुछ गड़बड़ लगती है. ये हारिस सुल्तान और ये नितिन शर्मा कौन था? Until this day I can't find out. Another problem coming up, because he played on my weakness, and then of course I got abusive, like I had said, that this thing makes me like this, or makes me feel, or I feel like this, start to feel like this. So yes, I feel like my case has been justice delayed is justice denied. It has been messed up. I won't be able to go to the hospital. I won't be able to eat, get up, drink my tea properly here if I go on. I'll continue.